Today, we've got some juicy details about Huawei's next big thing, the Nova 12 series. I've been scrolling through the depths of Weibo, and guess what? We've got renders. So, these leaked renders are giving us a sneak peek into what could be the Huawei Nova 12 Ultra. Or, maybe it's the elusive P70, who can say for sure? The design game is strong with this one, folks. The camera module is rocking that cylindrical shape we saw with the Nova 11, but it's got a cleaner lens setup. 3 cameras, standing tall vertically. The top dog seems to be the main camera, sporting that XMAGE branding and a snazzy LED flash. Now, take a look at the right side, 3 buttons, volume adjustment keys, and a power button that's looking all fiery and red. The corners are rounded, and there's not too much curve action on the sides. It's a sleek package, no doubt. Now, there's some debate in the techosphere. Some Weibo warriors are throwing in their bets, saying it could be part of the P70 series. But our trusty tipster, who dropped this bomb on Weibo, seems to be keeping it real, a hint of doubt in the air. And let's talk about that XMAGE branding. Usually that's reserved for the flagship squad. Could the Nova 12 Ultra be stepping up its imaging game? We might be in for some camera magic, my friends. Oh, and hold on to your seats because there's been another alleged render floating around. Different camera setup, though. Huawei Nova series always keeps us on our toes, designed with us consumers in mind. The tech evolution is real, and Nova 12 might just be packing a surprise in the form of a shiny new Kirin chipset. But here's the catch. Huawei is playing coy with the launch date. No official word yet, but I've got a feeling we'll be drowning in leaks and renders real soon. So hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, because we'll be the first to break it down for you. Until then, stay tuned, stay techie, and I'll catch you in the next one.